Students, today we shall look at the same topic in series of the last lecture. Yesterday we had lecture number 1. Today we shall have lecture number 2. The same topic, parts of speech, and we shall look at the examples of the parts of speech. As already we have discussed yesterday, there are 8 parts of speech. Now, today we shall look at the examples of the parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Noun is a naming word. Look at the examples. Raju, name of the person. Sangola, name of the village, city. Fish, name of the element or living in water. Beauty, a kind of abstract noun, means Raju, Sangola, fish and beauty are the given names by human beings, and therefore they are called as nouns. There are also a number of examples. For further reference, you can look at any grammar text. Pronoun. From the high school levels, we have been familiar with the common pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and others. These are used to avoid the repetition of the nouns. Now, next, adjectives. Adjectives are the words which are used to glorify, to tell something else about nouns. How? Handsome, yellow, brave, shrewd, beautiful, etc. Now, handsome. Handsome is an adjective because handsome boy. Boy is noun. And handsome is adjective. Yellow, name of colors, all colors. Page, yellow page. Brave, brave boy, brave girl. Shrewd, shrewd boy, shrewd man. Beautiful, beautiful girl, etc. These are all the words which are used to tell something else about nouns, and therefore they are called as adjectives. Now, verb. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, ought to, need, dare, must. These are all helping verbs. All the helping verbs I have not listed here, but these are the helping verbs. Eat, ate, sleep, slept, cut, cut, drive, drove, driven means present form of the verb, past form of the verb, past participle of the verb, and helping verbs are there. Remember that there in English you have number of verbs, and more than that maximum number of vocabulary includes verb and noun. Adverb. Adverbs are used to qualify, to modify the verbs. Fast, slowly, very, always, never, well, hardly, here, there, often, etc. Now, Ram runs fast. Fast is an adverb because fast qualifies, modifies the word runs. Slowly, Ram runs slowly. Slowly qualifies verb. Remember that the places, sometimes The adverbs are at the end, sometimes in between. For example, Ram is always late. Just after the verb, adverb appears. Preposition: in, on, at, below, into, above, under, with, without, between, beside, among, around, etc. All these words, all these prepositions are used to show position. How? Ram is walking on the road. Here, the road, on the road. On is preposition. The pen is in my pocket. In my pocket, in is preposition. The pen is under the bed. Under the bed. The pen is under the table. I went, or Ram went to Pune by bicycle. He writes with pen. Between. These are all examples which we can have in preposition. Now conjunction. And, but, because, before, whereas, wherever, neither, nor, etc. Now we can have the examples. Ram and Sita went to ashram. Ram and Sita. The noun Ram, the noun Sita are joined by the conjunction and. Moreover, because he ate because he was hungry. Hungry. Interjection. Oh, ah, shoo, hey, hello, hi, alas. These are all interjections which are used moreover to express emotions. Suppose we see an incident, we use the word oh, ah, shoo, hey, hello. Unfortunate incident, alas, alas, he is dead. Alas, he is no more now, etc. These are all examples of the parts of speech. What happens when we try to prepare sentences, when we construct sentences, when we try to communicate with others? What we need most? We need most parts of speech, because the parts of speech form the foundations of our speech. And therefore, whenever you want to speak somewhere else, whenever you want to write a letter, when you write a letter, what you need vocabulary. And this vocabulary is divided in 8 parts of speech. There are also small elements which are not included here, but remember that these are, for example, when we write or begin the letter, respected sir. Respected is an adjective and sir is a noun. Means we use adjective first and then noun. Means in this sense, in order to communicate, whether in writing or in oral form, we require what? Parts of speech. And therefore, at home, you can just, as it is online lecture, you have facility with the help of your Google account. You go on searching parts of speech. You can see slides. You can see PPT. You can download PDF forms, text, and in detail you can see all these noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In the text, if you download the text which is used for BA Work 3, which are a modern English grammar by Geoffrey Leach. And if you download this text, you will find all the details. Moreover, you can see a practical English grammar by Thompson and Martinet, or moreover, number of texts on English grammar. You just download it, see carefully, purchase the notebook, try to have the notes and learn slowly, because these are the 8 parts of speech on the basis of which we are going to identify them in future. In the next lecture, or more in the next series of lectures, we are going to identify parts of speech in the sentence. That is the part of our exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.